Namaskar everybody. I am Kshitij Khandelwal from class 8C and today our group is going to explain you compound interest by an activity. So firstly, Lavish Gangwal is going to explain you what is interest.
My name is Lavis Gangwal and I am going to tell you what is interest. Interest is the extra amount that is charged by the money lender for using his money. There are two kinds of interest, simple interest and compound interest. First, let us understand the
Now
difference
Mahi and
between
Manav
them.
will be going to explain you the difference between simple and compound
Simple
interest.
interest. In simple interest, the interest is calculated on a principal over a particular period of time. In it, the principal is fixed for every year.
Now Mahi is going to explain you about compound interest.
Compound interest. In a compound interest, interest in next year is calculated on both the principal and the interest of previous year. They are either greater than or equal to SI. Now let us understand the difference using an activity.
Now Krishna, Zaid and Naman will be going to explain you the activity.
Namaskar, my name is Naman Gupta and today I am going to explain our one activity. So we have taken two tray A and tray B. So here we have taken 100 balls in tray A and 100 balls in tray B. Principal 100 means that we have taken 100 balls in each tray. Rate of 1%, it means that we will increasing 10% every year in compound interest, but in simple interest we will increase 10% on 2 years. And time is 2 years, that we will see after 2 years how many balls are there in tray A, in which we will be using simple interest, and in tray B, in which we will be using compound interest.
Now let's come to first year. So in tray A, first we will find out 10% of 100, which is 10. So we will add 10 balls in tray A. Now we will come to tray B. In tray B, first we will also find out 10% of 100, which is 10. So we will add 10 balls to in tray A. Balls will be 100 plus 10 equal to 110. And in tray B, 100 plus 10 equal to 110.
Second year. Right now there are 110 balls in both trays. Now in the first tray we will be adding 10% of 100, which is 10. Now there are 120 balls in tray A. In tray B we will be adding 10% of 110, that is 11. Now there are 121 balls in tray B. In the first tray, increase the balls, that is the SI is 20, and in the second tray increase, that is SCI, which is 21. We can see that there is a difference of one ball in both trays.
Now Mohal will be explaining the conclusion of the activity.
Conclusion of the activity. So the very first point which we can conclude from this activity is that CI is either equal to or greater than SI. Now, the second point which we can conclude from this activity is that in compound interest in second year is calculated on both the principal and the interest of first year. And in this way, the principal goes on increasing as the numbers of
Now I
years
will be
increase.
going to explain you compound interest in money. The formula of finding amount, that is the sum of principal and compound interest. If the principal is compounded annually, is A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n. Here A refers to the amount, P refers to the principal, R refers to the rate, and N refers to the number of year, that is time. Thank you.